Hello everybody, it's me Miriam again. Yo, the festive is over. It's over. It was nice time, but I'm back to work as all of you. Most of you are almost back at work. But now you see festive is over. Choppies is gone. Even the boss, he was on holiday there in what's it called the name there over the sea where you fly to. You cannot drive with a car. So they don't have no money. Now you see what I have to eat. Now I have to go back to the pub. I have to eat the pub. You see, they are so broke now. These bosses, they are so broke. I don't know if the pay of this month is gonna be a full pay. Because they cannot even afford the cool drink. Oh, there goes my lid. I have to drink the water now, tap water, make it cold in the fridge so I can suck down the pap. Because you know what the other thing is, shh, but don't tell them. They don't even have the sugar or the milk for pap. I had to eat it just like we say from the mama. From the mama, just the water and the milk. Yes. But luckily, sorry people, luckily for me, I could still find something nice to take down with the pub. You see, yeah, the head must make the pudding with the custard. They leave me for Miriam. They leave the empty box. But what they don't know, what we people, we know is if you cut it open, you see, if you cut it open, there's still custard. So now Miriam is enjoying lekker the custard. Everybody, thank you. And again, it's the 6th of January today. There's still a long time to go to Christmas, but I'm looking forward to the next bonus time. Thank you, everybody.